Retail firm, MW Free Private Group. Trading Course 3.0, yes, it's coming. It has been taking a while before I did it, but I've been busy, sick, traveling, whatever. So a lot of things going on in my life, and also for the GTC community, because I cannot say too much about it, but a lot is going to change. But it's not about that today. Today it's about Trading Course 3.0. So I'm going to explain you guys in details how to trade meme coins. So it's about meme coins. You can also trade this, by the way, on other altcoins. But today it's about meme coins and how to trade the indicator on the meme coin. So how to make money, how to become financially independent the safe way by trading the MW indicator, the best indicator in the world, by the way. And you can disagree with me, but show me, anyone can DM me if he knows any other indicator working better than this one. So just DM me if you. I'll just put on my objective glasses, and I hope that there will be one that's better than this one. So I really hope it, because if it is, I will share it. I will tell you about it. So first of all, the indicator and how to trade it, how to make money on it. I already explained in a lot of vids, but apparently new members that join in, they just don't get it. They just need it step by step. Well, you guys are trading on Weex, you're trading on BITUNIX, you're trading on Blofin, the best 3 non-KYC exchanges in the world, accessible everywhere. First of all, I really want to make sure that you guys understand this. You guys really need to open up all 3 of those exchanges, all 3 of them. And when you take trades, like if it's any meme coin, doesn't matter what one it is, you have to be trading it on 3 platforms, especially if you're also in the gain trading crypt community and also in my free private. Because when I give a call, you have to keep in mind that those guys, especially in high volume, those exchanges, market makers, they see this and they could counter trade us. Well, I've educated you guys in trading course number 1 and 2 how to protect yourself against those spikes, and especially if you're trading, also make sure that you got a BITUNIX account. Why? Because BITUNIX, they're the only one that I know in the world that have these will spike protections for retailers. So that's also a very important part. So make sure the links are all, when you go to my Twitter page, in my bio, there's a link tree. All BITUNIX, Weex, and Blofin, all 3 of them are over there. So make sure that you open up an account over there. And when you trade, just do it on 3 exchanges. That's the best style, especially if you're a high volume trader. If you're just a low volume trader, you trade just with a couple of $100 or whatever, then it's no need. You can just trade on the exchange as you do. By the way, also for everyone that's gonna watch this vid from the free private group, we haven't been checking past weeks, months, if the members in the free private group are actively trading. We haven't been checking on it. So everyone is still in. Let me just tell you, we have been busy. Gain Trading Crypt has been very busy, but we will be checking next week, so the coming week. So if you see that you're just disappeared out of the group, know what the reason is. Apparently you're not active trading, so that's when you get no access to these vids, because I'm gonna try to make now the coming 3-4 weeks trading course 4, 5, 6 will come out on a weekly basis. I'm gonna try. Cannot promise it, but it's gonna happen. Also, a lot of trade setups I'm trying. By the way, guys, for the ones that have been following me, watching my vids yesterday, the team is going. They reserved a very huge amount, $2 million. They're going to short the crap out of all this Ponzi FOMO coins. So just imagine, these guys, I know for sure that they're gonna make a lot of money. I know it. They already got a lot of money, but they gotta make so much more money. And this is the professional style. I know the amateurs, the shillers, the influencers, buy this, buy that, make a 5x, make a 6x, that, this, whatever. This is the risky way. This is also the style on spot mostly. So these guys, they make money on moves. Like as we speak, in their group, they're already having, they made a bonk trade today. They made 5 figures on a small move. It's just what they do. It's just what they do. They're running in, I think, what was it, 300% it was at some point. It's just a trade they take. You know, there are a lot of coins, by the way, are just exploding. Like yesterday, I made a vid about Polkadot, and I told you GLMI and Fala, and you know, both of them spiked up like crazy today. So it's, you know, the combination is huge, because you can focus on the coins, like I educate you guys, that are at bottom formations. Those are the ones you have to go in, and the ones that are like Bank, for example, over here, this one, because they made the call over here. Please don't ask me how they nailed that timing, because they just timed it perfectly. They went in over here, boom, down, and guys, they make 5 figures on this move. Just this move, they make 5 figures on this move only. So don't ask me. They're trained how to recognize these when they start going in. But so that's about that. So focus on the coins that are at bottom formations. Those are the coins to long, and the coins that are at all-time highs and are at very high levels. But you have to be careful. You have to know, you have to be a professional trader to recognize the one to short, because if you kind of short a coin that's going on beast mode, you'll get 100% wrecked. So it's not just, oh, wait a minute, this coin is at all-time high, so let me just go short it. It doesn't work like this, like that. It just doesn't work. So first of all, so let's begin about how to trade these meme coins, because this is Bank, but there will be like thousands of other charts similar to this one, and there already have been like 1,000 charts in the past just like this one. And I keep repeating myself, but I don't know what it is, but it's like retailers, they just don't get it. There is a small group in this group that do get it, and can I say this? Yeah. Some are running as we speak now, not on Bank, on other coins that have similar charts like this, what I'm going to explain in a moment. They're running in like 140k gains, 230k gains, 300k gains, etc., etc. It's like XRP, the guy made 580k, 570k, whatever it was. So bear with me, I already explained. This indicator is so strong, especially when FOMO hits in. I said it a million times. When FOMO hits in, volume hits in, momentum hits in, this indicator will make you rich. This is a guarantee. This is not if, it's just when. It's gonna make you rich, but you have to act accordingly on it. You have to know what you're doing. So I explain. So look over here. So we got this Bank. Okay, this meme coins found some momentum. Bank was going down, 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 down. So you could have shorted this one, by the way, because this is a beauty. Over here, we broke below it, retested it, retest, and boom, boom, boom. You made a lot of money. Okay, congrats. Over here on the 4 hour, this is on the 4 hour, by the way, we're going to lower time frames in a moment. So this is for the ones that are working or having a busy life, etc. They can trade on a 4 hour and they can make huge gains. So over here, we closed above it. We came back, retest. This was your entry. So this was the entry over here. This was the entry. Let me make it a bit more clear. So this was the entry. So, okay, there we go. Up, up, up. Guys, by the way, you can do this on spot. You can do this on leverage. It doesn't matter. If you do it on leverage, you're going to make more money. And if you do it on spot and you got a big bag, a lot of money, you're also going to make a lot of money. So listen, what happens is this. Boom, this was the first rise. Sideways, sideways. Look at this. Hold. And by the way, guys, I just randomly chose this coin. It's not that, oh, wait a minute, I'm just going to choose a coin that worked out on the indicator. No. You have to believe me, I just chose a random coin. And I chose this one because I know that Game Trading Crypt today gave the call in their paid group to short this one over here. And they already took profits 3 times. So this is, okay, there we go. Boom, boom, boom. Put your stop loss below it. It's not gonna hit. Boom, 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 boom. And then the second one up, you just hodl. As long as it's above it, hodl, hodl, hodl. over here, I'm still coughing like crazy. Still hodl. Look over here. Look over here. And now comes for the ones that are beasts, so the real traders that have the bulls, they even add to their bags. And what they do is, most of the times, what they do is, for example, they opened up this position on Weex, and then they open up another position over here with a stop loss, a new position on BITUNIX, just below over here. Just so they go in, stop loss below the indicator on BITUNIX. They let this one, for example, this one was Blofin. And then over here on Weex, they open up the second one. Go. And then over here, they open up the next one on, what am I saying? So Blofin, Weex, and then BITUNIX. So Blofin, Weex, BITUNIX, or you can, whatever you want, Weex, BITUNIX, Blofin, whatever. Just they open those positions, new positions based on the indicator for continuation. They do it on another exchange. So, and then boom, and guys, just let me just show you guys. Let me just show you. This is on a 20x. This is a 4,000 P&L. On a 30x, this is a 6,000 P&L. This is life-changing money. This is life-changing money. And you know, at some point you can take some profits on the lower timers. I'll explain that in a moment. But what you guys are seeing over here, this will happen on a lot of coins. And it will also happen on the way down. Because if I would invert this chart, you see this test down, test down, test down, test down, test down. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Test down, test down. If you have this tool, if you have this, you have to be happy about owning this indicator. It could make you super rich. You just have to know how to trade it. So for now, the ones that have been trading this, they're still in it. They don't care. So this is for the ones that don't have time to trade or that are busy or whatever. The only thing that you have to do, you have to put your stop loss and higher it up. Listen, over here your stop loss was here. Over here you higher up here. Oh, let me show you. For example, over here your stop loss was over here. You're in gains, your stop loss is over here. You're in gains, your stop loss goes over here. You're in gains, your stop loss goes over here. You're in gains, your stop loss is over here. Now your stop loss is over here. I seen this. You don't have to exit the trade. If you're happy, just like the retail member that made that almost 600K on XRP, at some point he made so much money, he just went out. I'm out. I don't care. If it goes up, he doesn't care. He was, by the way, he bought GLMR yesterday. And so he's running in 20% gains over there. But that's just the style. That's just the style. Because when you're satisfied with an amount of money that you made, and you think to yourself, wait a minute, I'm happy what I have. I don't need any more. It's just enough for me. You just take it. No greed. There is no greed. Just take the damn money. If you're satisfied with the money you made, if it's over here, or it's over here, or it's now, just take the damn money. Okay, so this is on the 4 hour for the ones that don't own the time. Let me go now to the 1 hour. Let me remove everything. Okay, so this is the 1 hour. When you go to the 1 hour, it will be a bit more choppy. So it will be, it doesn't mean, when you see this choppiness over here, it doesn't mean that you cannot make money. You still can make a lot of money, but you just have to have more exits and more entries. And it's very simple. It's the same style over here. Hold the indicator entry, boom, hold. This is where your stop loss get hit in profits. It's just what it is. So you're out. You see this thing close above it. This is your entry again. Are you seeing this? Let me show you. Over here, this was your entry. So you went out. You took the profits that you made from here. You're out. Over here, you go in again. Boom. Look at this. Look at this madness, by the way, guys. Look at this madness. This is really, this is crazy, guys. This is really crazy. So This is what you're seeing over here. Boom. Still in it. Boom. Because this is just a spike. You have to give it a little bit of space on the indicator, by the way, guys. Don't put it on the indicator. Give it like a 1 or 2% below it. So over here, still in it. Over here is when you're out. We close below it, you're out. The momentum is decreasing. So you took huge profits. And then you could have taken a short over here, whatever you want. Because as you guys can see over here, rejected. This was your confirmation. This is your entry. So you could have made some money over here. Over here, you're out again. Take the damn profits. You wait. Okay, above it, I'm going into a long. Look at this. I'm going into a long. I don't care. Over here, boom, came back to the indicator. Boom, up. Over here, you're out again. You take some profits. You just wait, or you go into a short, whatever you want. And then over here, above it, retest the indicator. This is your entry again. And there we go again. Boom, 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 boom. And as you guys can see, as we speak, why do you think that Game Trading Crip in their group is taking profits? They're taking profits. Why? Because they know that if this moved down, and by the way, guys, these guys go big. So when they see this move down, they think, okay, wait a minute, they could pump it up just like they did it over here. So they take profits, but they will probably enter again. They will probably enter again. I know how they are. They will probably enter again because why? Because they're going for the big hit. They're going for the big jackpot. And the big jackpot, it's going to take some time. So in the process, they're just making those trades in and out, in and out, in and out. And at some point, they're going big, guys. They're going really big on a short. So they're really focused on a short. And yeah, maybe they're going to make the 6 figures again and again. But for now, this is how you trade like a professional. You're not a loser. You're not listening to some shiller, or we're going to the moon, or some other guy that tells you we're going to zero, Bitcoin is going to zero. Listen, guys, all this bullish and bearish crap, this is exactly what makes retailers weak, and they get them whacked because you're believing in one narrative, and that's not gonna happen because crypto works like we're going either like this, and at some point we're gonna do like this. It's just how everything works. So when you have to be making the money over here, but you have to definitely also make the money over here. And how to recognize these moves and the indicator, that's what I'm educating you guys now. So let's go, because let me tell you about my favorite time frames. My favorite time frames for the indicator are the 4 hour, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 50 minutes, and the 5 minutes. So if we would go to the 50 minutes, this is what you're seeing now over here. So this might be an entry for Bank again. This is just live. This is happening now. So this might be an entry for Bank again, because it's going to look at this on the 50 minutes. We close below it, retest, rejected, and now it's testing again. So this is a scalp trade. It could be a scalp trade, but it could end up with a huge trade, because if it will get rejected here again, we're probably gonna see another downside over here. You're probably gonna see a more downside over here. But we've got the 1 hour indicator is backing it up. So how to do that? Just put in those lines. Just put in lines just like this. Look at this. You put in the lines, and then you go to the 50 minutes. Okay, now you know over here, this is the resistance, but you also know that this is the 1 hour indicator is waiting for Bank over here. You could also, what you could do is, you could make it on a 4 hour, you go over here, and then you put in those lines on a 4 hour. You see? This way, now you know what you're doing if you're trading this, especially in high volume. So if you, for example, you took the short over here. So suppose you're gonna take the short over here and it's gonna come down. You know that over here you have to be taking the damn profits. Take profits, and you leave something running. So in case it wants to dump down to the 4 hour level over here, but you have to take profits, because if it will bounce up again, that's why you destroy your gains. And you know, lesson number one in GTC is green never turns into red. So that's just one big lesson, never gonna happen. So now it's pushing the bonk as we speak. So this could be a short over here. This could be a short over here. And listen, guys, this is very simple because listen, over here, if you would take a short over here, your stop loss is just above it. Or you could even wait for it to close. And if it closes above it, you're out. It's that simple. You're just out. So you take that small loss. You take it. Don't be afraid. Just take that small loss and wait for your next opportunity. Just like we're seeing over here. Just like we're seeing over here. So for over here, we lost it. This was the short entry. Boom, 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 boom. Look how beautiful. So you make a lot of gains. Over here, you're out. You could even flip long over here. Boom, boom, boom. You're in, making money, making money, making money, making money. Over here, you're out. Retest. Over here, you're out. You wait, close above it. This could be an entry. I wouldn't take an entry over here. Because why? Because you have to focus more on the shorts because we already pumped a lot. So you just wait. Over here, this was your entry again over here. So this was the entry. You're making money over here. We're reaching, you take profits on the way down. And now this thing is ramping up. So suppose that I would enter over here. So just suppose that I would enter over here. You know, suppose I would enter over here. My stop loss would be just slightly above it. And if it closes above it, I'm just out. It's that simple. I take that small loss because you're making, listen, you're making money over here. You're making money over here. This one. These are huge gains. You made money over here. These are huge gains. You made money over here on a short. These are huge gains. Do you care about that small amount of money that you're going to lose over here if it does break above the Indie? Look at these moves that you just made. It's a lot of money. So don't care about those small losses. This is if you're scalping, if you're trading on lower time frames. Don't care about those small. Just over here, put in that damn order, short order, and just slightly above it, you put in your stop loss. And if it closes above it, you're out. It's that simple. You take the small loss because when you catch those big moves, just like this move, for example, when you catch all those big moves, do you really care about these small losses over here? You don't care about them. So this is how you trade the indicator. And let me tell you this. Why am I showing you guys the meme coins? Why am I doing that? Because meme coins are the best to trade with the indicator to make the most money. And why is that? Because what they do is, these guys, the most of the money is flowing into meme coins. It has been like this now for 4 times. This is the 5th. So we have to all agree that meme coins are ruling crypto at this moment. It's that simple. Don't deny it. Don't listen to Uncle Ran that tells you sell all your meme coins at the bottom and go buy other coins, and meme coins just keep ramping up. Because the facts and the charts are showing us that meme coins are ruling the crypto market as we speak. This is very important for you guys to understand, and I'll explain even more and more on my live streams. But this is just what it is at this moment. So if you're trading, just focus on meme coins. And guys, I'm telling you this: the team is preparing for a huge, big short on a lot of meme coins. Big shorts. So if those shorts will play out, if they would only retrace between 20 to 30, 40%, they will make millions. They will make millions. And I know for sure that there will be a lot of retailers that will also make millions by time. But this is only for the ones that own the funds and are high volume traders. By the way, guys, for the ones that are high volume traders, the team and I have been working on something past weeks. The high volume traders. And who is a high volume trader? Let me explain you exactly what a high volume trader is. A high volume trader is someone that trades on a weekly basis above $1 million trading volume. What is this? What? What is this? Okay. I really don't get it, but my music on my phone just went up. I really gale. So, what was I saying? So the ones that do trade on a 1 million to a 2 million trading volume in a week, so this is a high volume trade, not a high volume trader, but you know the team trades are much higher of trading. But the ones that are trading around the 1 to 2 million trading volume in a week, send me a DM, please. Because the team and I have been working on something special for you guys, because you guys also are the most exposed on the markets, and especially when you trade on high volume, there is another style for you guys to be made. So DM me if you're trading on very big volume. And well, for now, let's see. It's getting rejected, so I don't know what's going to happen next, but just be prepared, guys. The big shorts are coming, and you know, I made this, guys, you know, I can talk about this for hours, but I think that it's clear. You guys, don't fear the markets, don't fear the trades, just do it. And as you guys can see, you don't be afraid for losing money, because you just get out. When the indicator tells you to get out, you get out. And don't worry about those small losses when you're trading the indicator. You have to focus on these big moves. And these big moves are coming, but they will not be looking like this. Let me show you, because now let me remove everything. Those big moves are, you know, we already had this one. Look, we already had this big move up. This will happen, guys. This will happen. At some point, this will happen. So if you missed this one, no problem. Please don't miss this one. And please share me those P&Ls in my DM. I'm not seeing a lot of P&Ls in my DM. Just DM me. Tell me, listen, MW, we listened. We did exactly as you said. And I just made life-changing money. Here it is. Just show me. Don't be afraid. I don't need your money. I don't need your money. Some people are afraid to tell me, well, we listened and we made huge money. They're afraid that I'm going to ask them to donate or whatever. Listen, anyone that wants to donate, he's free to do as he wants. And if he doesn't want to donate, I'm just happy if you're making money. That's what it's all about for me. So just show me those P&Ls and I'll be super happy for you. Because donations, that's something that has to come from yourself. It's not because I want you to donate. You have to donate because you want to donate. It's not because of me. So guys, I really hope that you guys learned something from this one. Have a nice one and bye-bye.